Welcome to Maths is Easy. Hello friends, as there is always a need of help in calculating or solving mathematics questions on different levels, I am here for the same. Today in this video, I am going to solve chapter Algebraic Expressions, exercise 6.3, question number 1 and 2, Publication House Goel Brothers Prakashan, class 8. If you want to see the solutions of each of the exercises of each of the chapter of rational numbers, square and square roots, exponents and earlier exercises of algebraic expressions, you go by the description box where all the links are available. So let's check it out how to solve question number 1 and 2 of exercise 6.3. So in question number 1, we have been given the question divide 21x square y square z square by 3xyz. So let's check it out how to solve it. First of all, we have to write the expression first, x square y square z square by 3xyz. So here first of all we will separate the constants and the same variables so that it will be easier for us to cancellation. So 21 by 3 we have separated this constant, then we have separated x square by x, then we have separated y square by y, and we have separated z square by z. Now see how to cancel it. 3 ones are 3, 3 sevens are 21. This x will get cancelled by this x square, so only x will remain here. This y will get cancelled by y square, so only y is remained here, and this z is cancelled by z square, only z will remain here. So our answer will become 7x, y and z. So this is our answer for first part of question number first of exercise 6.3. Now come to the second part. So second part is 14p square q cube t by minus 28p square q. So the same process we will follow in this part also. Separate constants with the variables. So 14 by minus 28 we will put in a bracket, then p square with p square. Now q cube with q, and only t is given as a single. So we will cancel it. 14 ones are and 14 twos are 28. Now p square will get cancelled with p square. Q cube will get cancelled with only q single will get cancelled with q cube. So if we cancel it, we will be remain with q square. Now t is single, nothing is to be cancelled with this t. So our answer would become 1 by minus 2 q square minus 2 q square t. So we can write it as, because we don't put any negative sign in the denominator, we will shift this minus sign or negative sign from denominator to the numerator. So our answer would become minus 1 by 2 q square t. This is our answer. Now come to the third part. So the third part is m raised to the power 4 n cube by m cube and n. So we will separate m4 by m cube and n cube by n. So this m cube will get cancelled with m4, and this n single will get cancelled with n cube, so we will be remain with n square. So our answer will come out as m n square. So answer of third part of question number first is m n square. Now come to the fourth part. So the fourth part is minus 75 a raised to the power 4 b cube c square by 15 a cube b square c. So we will write first the question like this, then we will separate the constant with the constant and variable with the variable. So minus 75 by 15 in single bracket, a raised to the power 4 by a cube in another bracket, b cube b square in a bracket, and c square by c in another bracket. So let's uh, how we can simplify it. 15 ones are and 15 fives are 75. This a cube will whole get cancelled with this a raised to the power 4, so only single a will be left with us. Now this b square will get cancelled with b cube, only single b will remain here, and this c will get cancelled with c square, only single c will be remained here. So our answer would become minus 5 a b c. This is our answer. Now come to the, hope the question is clear. Now come to the fifth part. So the fifth part of question number 1 of exercise 6.3 is 26x raised to the power 4 y square z cube by 13y square. So same process we will follow here also. First separate the constants and similar variables. X raised to the power 4, no x is given here. Now y square by y square and z raised to the power 3, no z, another z is given here. So cancel it. 13 ones are 13 twos are 26. X raised to the power 4 will remain here only. Y square will get cancelled with y square and z cube will be remained here only. So our answer would become 2x raised to the power 4 z cube. This is our answer of fifth part. Now come to the sixth part of question number 1. So sixth part is 72 m raised to the power 7 n raised to the power 5 by 24 m square n cube. So 72 by 24 m raised to the power 7 by m square n raised to the power 5 with n cube. Now this 72 by 24 will get cancelled. 24 ones are and 24 threes are 72. m2 will get cancelled with m7 and we will be remain with m raised to the power 5, and this n cube will get cancelled with n cube n raised to the power 5, we will remain with n square. So our answer would become 3 m raised to the power 5 and n raised to the power 2. This is our answer of sixth part of question number 1 of exercise 6.3. Hope all the questions are clear. If still you have any doubt, you can ask. So the question number 2 of exercise 6.3, first part is 30x square yz minus 12xy minus 24x cube y square z by 3xy. So we have to divide all these expression with single 3xy. Now now let's check it out how to solve it. 30 will get divided by 3, x square will get divided by x, y will get divided by y, and no z is given here, so z will remain as single. Now minus sign is here, so we will put the minus sign. Now 12 will get divided by 3, x will get divided by x, y will get divided by y. Now minus 24 will get divided by 3, x cube will get divided by x, y square will get divided by y, and z is given here but no z is given in this. So in our further step, first we will cancel it. 3 ones are 3, 3 ones are 3, zeros are, means tens are. Now x will get cancelled with x square, single x will remain here, y with y, and z is single here. Now 3 ones are 3, 3 fours are 12. This x and this y will get cancelled. 3 ones are 3, 3 eights are 24. This x will get cancelled with x cube, so we will be remain with x square. This y will get cancelled with y square, we will be remain with y, and single z is given here. So our answer would become 10z minus 4 minus 8x square z. So we can write it as 10, here x is also left, so 10xz, here 10 and x is also left here, so 10xz minus 8x square z minus 4. This is our answer of first part of question number 2. Now come to the second part of question number 2. So second part is a raised to the power 7 plus a raised to the power 5 minus a cube plus a square, and we have to divide all these expressions by a square. So first of all, a7 is divided by a square plus a5 is divided by a square minus a cube is divided by a square plus a square is divided by a square. Now we will cancel it. A square will get cancelled with a7 and we will be remain with a raised to the power 5. This a square will get cancelled with a5 and we will be remain with a raised to the power 3. This a square will get cancelled with a cube, we will be remain with single a, and this a square will get cancelled with a square, we will be remain with 1 only. So our answer would become a raised to the power 5 plus a cube minus a plus 1. This is our answer of second part of question number 2 of exercise 6.3. Chapter Algebraic Expressions, class 8, publication house Goel Brothers Prakashan. Now let's check it out how to solve third part of question number 2. Now the third part of question number 2 is 72ab plus 24 a square b square plus 12 a cube b cube minus 144 a square b cube, and we have to divide all these four expressions by minus 3ab. So let's check it out how to solve it. First of all, 72 by 3, 72 by 3, a with a and b with b. All these expressions are getting multiplied, so we have put dots in between. Dot means the sign of multiplication. Now plus 24 by 3, a square with a, b square with b. Now again positive sign, 12 with 3, and we have to remember that this is minus 3 and minus 3. Now a cube with a and b cube with b. Now further we will write here minus 144 by minus 3. Now a square with a, b cube with b. Now in our next step we will do the cancellations. So 3 ones are 3, 3 24s are 72. A will get cancelled with a and b will get cancelled with b. Now 3 ones are 3, 3 8s are 24. A will get cancelled with this a square, we will be remain with a only, and b will get cancelled with b square and b will be remained here only. 3 ones are 3, 3 fours are 12. A will get cancelled with a cube, we will be remain with a square. B will get cancelled with b cube, we will be remain with b square. Now 3 ones are 3, 3 fours are 12, and 3 8s are 24. This a will get cancelled with a square, and this b will get cancelled with b cube, so we will remain with b square. Now what answer we have come with? Minus 24, because the negative sign is here and negative sign will be shifted on the numerator. Plus 8a and b plus, we will better write minus a and b. So here we will be left with minus 4 a square b square, and minus is already given here, so we will be left with minus 48 a b square. Now we will deal with the signs. Minus 24, this plus minus will become minus 8ab, plus minus will become minus 4a square b square, and this minus minus will become positive 48ab square. So this is our answer of third part of question number 2 of exercise 6.3. The answer is minus 24 minus 8ab minus 4a square b square plus 48ab square. So that was all about the part third. Now come to the part fourth. Now fourth part of question number 2 is 14p raised to the power 5 minus 12p raised to the power 4 plus 6p cube plus 4p square, and we have to divide all these expressions by 2p square. So let's check it out how to solve. First, 14 by 2p raised to the power 5 p square in single bracket, minus 12 by 2 p raised to the power 4 with p square in single bracket. Now positive sign, 6 by 2 p cube by p square in single bracket, and again plus 4 by 2 p square by p square in single bracket. So cancel it. 2 ones are 2, 2 sevens are. This p2 will get cancelled with p5, will remain with p cube. Now 2 ones are 2, 2 6 are 12. P square, p4, p square will remain here. Now 2 ones are 2, 2 3s are 6. P square, only single p will remain here, and this p square, 2 ones are 2, 2 2s are 4. Now answer will be come out as 7p cube minus 6p square plus 3p plus 2. So answer of fourth part of question number 2 is 7p cube minus 6p square plus 3p plus 2. Now come to the fifth part of question number 2. So the fifth part of question number 2 is 2x cube y cube minus 3xy square minus 5x square y plus 4xy, and we have to divide all these expression with 2xy. So let's check it out how to solve. First, 2 with 2, x cube with x and y cube with y, minus sign, 3 by 2, x with x and y square with y. Now 5 by 2, x square with x and y with y, positive 2 with 2, 4 with 2, x with x and y with y. Now 2 will get cancelled with 2, x will get cancelled with x cube, so will remain as 2x square. Y will get cancelled with y cube, will be remained as y square. No cancellation here, and x will get cancelled with x, y square will get cancelled with y will cancel with y square, will left as y. No cancellation here, x with x square, y with y. 2 ones are 2, 2 2s are 4. Cancellation here, x with x and y with y. So now check it out what we are left with. 2 only x square and y square minus 3 by 2, only y is left here, 3 by 2 only y is left here, minus 5 by 2, only x is left here, and only 2 is left here. So answer of fifth part of question number 2 is x square y square minus 3 by 2 y minus 5 by 2 x plus 2. Hope everything is clear. Still you have any doubt, you can ask me by commenting on the comment box. Now come to the sixth part. So the last part of question number 2 is 15x cube y cube z cube plus 12x y z square minus 6x y square z, and we have to divide all three these expressions by 6x y z. Now let's check it out how to solve it. First 15 by 6, x cube with x, y cube with y, and z cube with z. Now plus 12 with 6, x with x, y with y, and z square with z. Now minus sign, 6 with 6, x with x, y square with y, and z with z. Now do the cancellation. Here it will go by 3, 2 are 6, 3 5 are 15, x with x cube remain with x square, y with y cube remain with y square, and z with z cube remain with z square. 6 1s are 6, 6 2s are 12, x with x, y with y, and z is single z is left here. Now 6 is 6, x with x, y with y square, and z with z. Now see what we are left with. We are left with 5 by 2 x square y square z square plus 2, only z is remained here, 2z, and minus what is remained here, only y is remained here. So the answer of sixth part of question number 2 of exercise 6.3 is 5 by 2 x square y square z square plus 2z minus y. I hope all the parts of question number 1 and 2 of exercise 6.3 is now clear. Still you have any doubt, you can ask me by commenting onto the comment box. So if you guys like my video, or if it is somewhere helpful to you, kindly subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, and share the videos as much as possible. In my next video, I will be solving exercise 6.3 question number 3, which is said to be a typical question, but it is not at all typical or not at all difficult. So in my next video, I will be uploading the solution of question number 3. So thank you so much for watching my video.